angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here, and today I am here with this green smoky eye makeup look. It is super easy and recreatable, so you can create this. And this was actually a chatty makeup look, but I really don't want to talk about that topic right now, but soon I'll do a video on this topic. So I thought let me just keep this as a makeup look. I was really skeptical about posting this video, but I hope you guys will enjoy, and if you do, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, even follow me on all my social media handles. Everything is there in the description box, and even it's flashing on the screen. So yeah, without wasting much time, now let's get into this video. So first I'm going to start with the primer, and for that I'm taking Sugar Base the Glory Minimizing Primer, and I'm just going to warm this up between my fingers and apply this on the T-zone area. This is where I normally get oily, and even I have little pores in here, so this is the best place to prime. Next I'm going to use the Fit Me foundation. This is in the shade Warm Nudes 128, and I'm going to blend this out. So the foundation is done. Let's move on to the concealer. I'm going to use the Fit Me concealer in the shade 10. Now to set my face, I'm going with the loose powder from Maybelline. This is the Fit Me, and I'm in the shade 15. So next I'll be contouring my face, and for that I'm taking the Sugar Contour the Force palette. This is in the shade Vivid Victory, and I will go with this shade right here, and I'll be going with this on the parameters of my face. I think I have taken a little too much. Never mind, I can just use a beauty blender to soften the edges. Now let's move on to the eyebrows, and for that I'm taking L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit. Trust me, I'm using this angle brush after so long, like I don't even remember the last time I have used. It's just I can't find the other one. I'm just going to fill in my brows. I'm quickly done with the other brow. Now let's move on to the eye makeup, and for that I'm taking this palette from Sugar. This is the Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in the shade 01 Flawless, and I'll take this shade from here, which is Cream, and I'll be using this on the socket of my eyes as my transition shade. I'm taking this on the crease area. The next, from Makeup Revolution Tropical Carnival palette, I'll be taking this green shade right here. I'll apply this on the outer corner of my eye. And even take this on the crease area. And blend both the colors together. And next, from Wet n Wild Color Icon palette, I'm going with this khaki green right here, and I'm going to apply this with my finger on the area where I have kept it empty. And then I'm going to blend the harsh edges out. Again, going with the same green I have picked up the last time, and intensifying the outer V. Even I'm going with a little bit of black just on the outer corner. Now I'm taking Fit Me Compact with a large powder brush. I'm just going to apply in this area and brushing it. All the fallouts are gone and my base is looking nice and clean. Next I'm taking Sugar Coal of Honor and I'm going to waterline and tideline with this. And now with the smudge tip applicator brush, taking the green color from Makeup Revolution palette and smoking out the lower lash line. Now to highlight the inner corners and the eyebrow bone, I'm going with Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter. This is in the shade Precious Petal and this is one of my favorite. So now I'm almost done with my eyes. I think this is looking nice. I don't want to go for a winged liner, otherwise I would have gone. I'm just going to pop on some falsies, even apply some mascara. So this is the Sugar Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara. I'm going to apply this now. Now I'm going to move on to the rest of the face. I'm going to put on the falsies at the end after the lipstick, so you'll get the complete look later on. Now for my blusher, I'm going with the same Sugar palette. Now again for the highlighter, I'm going with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter and I'll be going with this on the usual areas of my face. And now for the lipstick, I'm going with two lipsticks right here. Both are from Sugar. The first one is going to be the Sugar Matte as Hell Crayon lipstick in the shade 23. And the other one is going to be the metallic. This is in the shade 10. So I'm going to use the crayon and use this as a lip liner and even fill it in. And then going with a little lighter shade on the inner part of my lips. So guys, this is the complete look. This is how the makeup turned out. Even the falsies I have put on. As I said, I'm going to tie the whole look after putting the falsies, and this is the complete makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this look. It was really easy, as you have seen. And even don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it's very important for me to grow. So please do that. Hit the bell button and you'll be notified whenever I'm coming up with a new video. Follow me on all my socials. It's there in the description box. Even it's flashing right here, so you can just go and do this thing for me. It's not going to cost you anything, but it's going to make my day. And yeah, that's it for this video. We'll see you in my next video pretty soon. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye.